Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to clean your face with the help of coffee, followed by some of ingredients which are available very easily at home. And as you can see that my face has transformed drastically with the help of these natural ingredients. As we know that coffee provides amazing benefits to our skin, so I will include coffee in every step. The first step is cleansing of the face, so I will take coffee and will take 2 spoons of milk, raw milk, and just mix it up and apply this paste on your skin so that your skin gets clean. You just have to take your time, take 2 minutes to clean up your face. Milk has lactic acid in it which will diffuse the gunk and dirt from our skin, and coffee is high in caffeine. It will remove the dead skin from our skin. Make sure you use only fingertips of the skin because we don't need to heaten up the skin. Always apply the product on your neck because it also plays a vital role in the appearance of your face. Because if your neck is not proper according to your face, it will not look nice. So we just have to clean the neck as well so that everything gets equal. With a very single step I am feeling so clean. In the next step I will use scrub, and for scrub you need rice powder and coffee and add some honey in it. The product was looking so yummy. But we have to apply it on our face, and make sure you mix some water, rose water into it because it generally gets dry, or you can mix it at a time so it will not get dry. And now I will apply the scrub onto my face, and I was feeling so good. Trust me, this exfoliator is really nice for your skin because rice powder is anti-inflammatory and has some antioxidants which help in reducing UV rays effects and just tone up your skin, whiten up your skin, and it will also work as anti-aging ingredient. So do not forget to include rice powder into your skincare. And coffee as a scrubber will remove the harmful bacteria from the skin, which will ultimately combat acne problems. Take your time and just apply this product or scrub this product onto your face for at least 4 to 5 minutes, and use your light hands, and don't forget to apply it on your neck. Also include your lips, and because it will just scrub out the dead skin from your lips. And I'm also applying on my eyes, on the under eyes, but on the under eyes you need to be very gentle. Focus on the affected areas like forehead, nose, chin, because generally blackheads and whiteheads gets produced here only. So just take your time and apply it 4 to 5 minutes. After washing the face, just rub this towel like this only, and it will just eliminate any leftover onto your skin, dead particles from your skin. And make sure the towel should be cotton one because it will not hurt your skin. You can see visible radiance onto my skin. We have just completed 2 steps and 2 steps are left. Next step is cream, and for that we need coffee and aloe vera gel, and it was my favorite part because I enjoyed applying it onto my skin. You just need a coffee and aloe vera gel, just mix it up and it will like this, and it was looking so yummy. But when I applied this product onto my skin, I was like so relaxing. Trust me, if you will apply it like this, you will enjoy doing this facial. I just wanted to include coffee in each and every step because coffee is the main ingredient in this whole process. Coffee is anti-aging, anti-inflammatory. It works on your dark circles. It just brighten up your skin. And you can see that the many brands are launching the coffee ranges because coffee has some beautiful benefits to your skin that one should include coffee into your skincare. Now I will just continue this process for 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, you have to give it a 5 to 10 minutes, then it will work onto your skin. is the face pack. For that you need multani mitti and coffee infused water. Mix both of them with each other, and coffee infused water, you just have to put coffee into the water, mix it up and mix into the pack. Apply a very thin layer onto your skin, and just keep it for 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes, because then it will just extract natural oils from your skin. And after 10 minutes जितना ये सूख गया उतना ठीक है, बाकी आप अपना चेहरा आराम से धो लीजिए. This is the final result. Please, you can also try this facial at home. You just need very basic products and it will just lighten up your skin. It will just clean up your skin like a miracle. My face was squishy clean, and please try this facial at your home, and it will hardly take 20 to 25 minutes and you will love the results as I am loving the result. I also enjoyed this product, and you can see there is no blackheads onto my skin. This is my bare skin and I'm just showing you the close-up. It cleaned up every pore of my skin, and the next morning my face was like this. It was like very much cleany face. So please try this facial at home, and I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.